In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back, honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. Listeners and audience, today, the topic which I have selected for you, it is about turn taking and discourse. What is meant by turn taking and discourse, and what is the importance of turn taking, and also what is the example of turn taking. All these will be discussed in today's topic. Listeners and audience, turn taking is actually a conversation structure in which one person speaks while another person listens to it. As the conversation progresses, the roles of the listener and speaker move back and forth, which creates a circle of discussion. Listeners and audience, the question arises that what is the importance of turn taking? Turn taking is very important. When it's come to the importance of turn taking, it helps in effectively participating and interaction with others. It allows good listening, active listening, and also good production of conversation. So, for the productive listening and active listening, turn taking is very important. Listeners and audience, actually, in turn taking, there is a transition relevant point, which is also known as transition relevant place, in which a person signifies to other that now it is the turn of others to speak. And it will clear from the example. For example, there are two persons. One is person A and another is person B. Person A says, "This is all what happened to me today. What about you?" So, listens and audience, in the first example, you see person A says, "This is all what happened to me. What about you?" So, as he asks question, it means that the asking question signifies that he wants other to speak now. That now he completed his statement. And it also signifies the first statement. This is all what happened to me. This is all what happened to me. So when he stops here, it means he wants other to speak now. Listeners and audience, remember that turn taking can be between two persons and it can be more than two persons. But there are some rules of turn taking, and it has been divided. Turn taking has been divided into three components. It has been structured in three components. So we will discuss the structure of turn taking by tomorrow, inshallah. So hope that now the topic about turn taking as example And also, the importance is clear. Thank you.